In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Halo teman-teman, welcome back to channel Cipul Family. Hari ini Cipul Family mau mengunjungi Bali Safari. Yuk ikutin keseruan kita ya. Jadi teman-teman, Bali Safari ini terbagi menjadi dua kawasan, Bali Safari dan Marine Park. Karena kita mau wisatanya santai, jadi kita bisa aja di Bali Safari 1 hari, lalu di Marine Park 1 hari. Dan di video kali ini kita mau ajak kalian untuk nonton keseruan kita selama di Bali Safari. Untuk keseruan kita di Marine Safari ada di video selanjutnya ya teman-teman. Untuk ke lokasi Bali Safari, kita akan menggunakan shuttle bus ini teman-teman. Nah teman-teman, di sini adalah lobi Barong. Kalau kita mau ke Bali Safari lewatnya kiri, kalau mau ke Marine Safari lewatnya ke kanan. Karena hari ini tujuan kita ke Bali Safari, kita ke arah kiri ya teman-teman. Di sini kita bisa berfoto dan bisa dicetak juga fotonya. Di sebelah kiri dan kanan kita ada toko souvenir dan juga kafenya teman-teman. Di sini kita bisa berfoto bersama burung teman-teman dan fotonya juga bisa dicetak. Patung gajah ini, ayo kita foto dulu. Di sini ada patung Ganesha yang ukurannya cukup besar nih teman-teman, dan kita mau foto juga di sini. Teman-teman, ada yang tahu nggak ini hewan apa? Yaps, ini adalah komodo. Ini adalah kura-kura moncong babi, spesies kura-kura air tawar unik dan endemik asal Papua dan Australia bagian utara. Siapa yang tahu hewan ini? Kalau kalian pernah ke Ancol, pasti kalian gak asing ya sama hewan yang satu ini. Ini adalah bekantan, jenis monyet berhidung panjang dengan rambut berwarna hitam kemerahan. Bekantan merupakan hewan endemik Pulau Kalimantan yang tersebar di hutan rawa dan hutan pantai. Selain itu di sini juga ada luwak dan juga binturong, sejenis musang bertubuh besar. Marmutnya banyak banget dan lucu-lucu banget teman-teman. Kalau ini kalian pasti tahu ya hewan apa? Ini kambing. Ada yang lagi tidur tuh. Hewan apa itu ya? Ini adalah macan tutul, memiliki bulu pucat kekuningan hingga emas tua dengan bintik-bintik gelap yang membentuk pola seperti mawar. Di bawahnya macan tutul lagi ada buaya ini teman-teman. Orang utan lucu ini namanya Bruno teman-teman. Welcome to the home of Safari Paw Paper. Safari Paw Paper adalah fasilitas edukasi ramah lingkungan di Bali Safari Park yang mengajarkan pengunjung membuat kertas daur ulang dari kotoran gajah. Safari Paw Paper adalah fasilitas edukasi ramah lingkungan di Bali Safari Park yang mengajarkan pengunjung membuat kertas daur ulang dari kotoran gajah. Di sini juga ada museum gajah. Teman-teman, mari kita saksikan Elephant Show.
200 kilos of food daily, including grass, bamboo, and fruit. They drink about 150 liters of water per day. They also have very strong sense of smell. But sadly, this took away the primary food source for the elephants, and subsequently, the elephants' life began to be disturbed by destructive human activities.
No, the elephant legs with its nose like wonderful acting. This elephant is so good at acting. Actor.
dan generasi. To overcome the conflict between wild elephants and humans, keeper Rahayu, so please bring applause.
Hi, Bella.
Alhamdulillah, how are you today? Good? Della is about 32 years old and will now help us to show you the differences between Asian and African elephants. Dan sekarang kita akan melihat perbedaan antara gajah Asia dan gajah Afrika. As you can see, their large bodies standing up to 3 meters tall, with super strength weighing up to 4,000 kilograms. They are especially smart creatures and also have good memories. Firstly, we can see the difference from their trunk. Come on, Della, don't be shy. The Asian elephants have one finger on the top of the trunk, while the African elephants have 2 fingers, one on the top and one at the bottom of the trunk. Can you all see their tusks? For the Asian elephants, only the male have long tusks, and the female has small and short tusks, while the African elephants, both male and female, have long and strong tusks. And thirdly, we can see the difference from their ears. The Asian elephant has smaller ears, while the African elephants have larger ears. They will flap their ears to cool themselves when they get hot. And finally, now I will show you her front leg. Come on, Della, don't be shy. Oh, good job, Della. For the Asian elephants have 5 honeycombs on their front leg. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 4 honeycombs on their hind leg. While the African elephants have 4 honeycombs on their front leg and 3 honeycombs on their hind leg. That was beautiful performance by Della. Best luck from Della by working on front. As a way to thank, we would like to invite 3 adult participants to come up onto the stage. Because Della has special gift for you. Kami ingin mengundang 3 orang dewasa dengan panggung karena Della memberikan spesial untuk Anda. So please raise the volume. 1, 2, and 3. Good job, Della. Thank you so much. Please wait up there.
Oh, there are 4. Oh, this one's the wet one. He just took a dip. And that one was the one who took a dip before. But elephants have hair.
Beautiful elephant along with the bird and the cat for a wonderful performance. Have a nice day, see you next time, and bye-bye!
Selanjutnya kita mau menonton pertunjukan harimau.
Dewi Durga merupakan sakti Dewa Siwa dengan kekuatan maha dahsyat yang mengendarai harimau. Kekuatan tersebut dipercaya untuk melindungi kebajikan dan menghancurkan kejahatan. Goddess Durga is in riding the tiger, an indication that she possesses power and uses that power to protect virtue and destroy evil. Pada kebudayaan Bali, harimau memiliki kisah tersendiri yang ada di dalam dongeng seperti yang Anda saksikan tadi. Pada presentasi ini Anda dapat menyaksikan keahlian dan sedikit cerita harimau di masa lalu. This is a story about our tigers, about their skills, their abilities, and their history. Let's get a better understanding and awareness of these big cats. Ladies and gentlemen, the magnificent tigers of the amazing Taman Safari Bali. categories. Tiger is the largest of the cat species. They can weigh up to 300 kilograms. Male tigers are larger than females. They can live up to 15 years in the wild, but much longer in places like the amazing Taman Safari Bali. Tigers have black stripes, which help them to camouflage in the wild. On the back of each tiger's ears is a distinct round white spot. When viewed from behind, these serve as false eyes, so that potential predators think that the tiger is watching them. Warna dan belang hitam harimau membantu mereka berkamuflase di alam liar. Dan harimau memiliki pola berwarna putih di belakang telinga mereka yang terlihat seperti sepasang mata yang berfungsi untuk mengelabui pemangsa lain. The claws of the tigers are large and sharp, and it's about 10 centimeters long. Their claws are retractable, which means they can hide. They are used when killing prey and fighting with other tigers. Harimau memiliki cakar yang sangat panjang mencapai sekitar 10 cm yang digunakan untuk membunuh mangsanya. Remember, tiger is the largest of the cat in the world, with males reaching almost 3 meters from those to their death. Tinggi harimau jantan mencapai hampir. The tiger will sometimes stand up to scratch at 3 times to mark his territory. Harimau juga akan berdiri dan mencakar batang pohon untuk menandai daerah teritori mereka. Cannot chase fast prey like deer for long distances. When the tiger is close enough, it springs from cover, killing the prey with a bite to the neck. Harimau mampu berlari hingga 60 km per jam, namun dalam jarak tempuh yang pendek, sehingga sulit bagi harimau untuk mengejar mangsa yang berlari cepat seperti rusa. Kaki belakang harimau lebih panjang dibandingkan kaki depannya. Dengan otot serta persendian mereka yang kuat, memungkinkan harimau untuk melompat sejauh 10 meter dalam sekali lompatan. Tiger usually hunt in the late afternoon or at night for large prey like wild pigs, deer, sometimes monkeys, and even frogs. Harimau biasanya berburu pada sore hingga malam hari. Dan mangsa harimau bervariasi mulai dari babi hutan, rusa, hingga primata. Tigers have been known to eat up to 27 kilograms of meat in one night. But more often, they consume around 6 kilograms of meat during. Well, everyone, did you know that the tigers can climb the trees? Tiger cubs readily climb trees and are known to chase monkeys up into the tree in an effort to catch food. Curved claws enable cats to grasp and hold large prey and also climb trees head first. However, it is difficult for tigers to climb back down a tree. Therefore, they either fall backwards or jump down from the tree, making them look promising. Sejak kecil, anak harimau sudah biasa memanjat pohon. Bahkan mereka juga belajar berburu primata. Cakar melengkung pada kucing besar memudahkan harimau untuk membawa mangsanya dan memanjat pohon illusion. Harimau adalah simbol kekuatan dan keindahan. The tiger's habitat is generally in lush tropical jungle, but they have also adapted wide rivers. Harimau hidup di hutan rimba, namun mampu beradaptasi dengan air, bahkan terbiasa dengan sungai-sungai besar. Tigers are adept swimmer unlike almost all other big cats. They enjoy bathing and often play in the water. And tigers have been known to swim up to 29 kilometers. It was once thought that the tiger swam from Java to Bali, across the Bali Strait, which is only 2.4 kilometers wide, making it well within the swimming ability of the tiger. Jika dibandingkan dengan kucing besar lainnya, harimau adalah perenang handal. Harimau tercatat mampu berenang sejauh 29 km. Dan dengan kemampuan berenangnya, harimau diperkirakan berenang dari Jawa ke Bali, melewati penduduk desa dan harimau berlomba untuk mendapatkan wilayah hutan yang sama. Inilah yang menyebabkan harimau kehilangan habitatnya dan mulai memasuki wilayah penduduk. These animals are rare and precious. We cannot kill them for our own purposes. Now is the time for us to become more aware and help save these animals from extinction. Such was the belief of the villager towards the power and strength of goddess Durga. The villager learned to respect and live with the tiger. But alas, it was too late. The only remaining symbol of the Balinese tiger is now the Barong Macan. To be actively involved in tiger conservation. We successfully managed a rescue and release program in Sumatra, releasing 8 tigers to their natural habitat since 2008. We also managed a breeding program and a world-class Sumatran tiger genome resource bank. In 2013, Taman Safari Indonesia conducted the world's first examination of the wild tiger with the hope of saving the genetic diversity of these animals. We continue to work tirelessly with government against tigers poaching and hunting. Much more needs to be done to save the beautiful creatures of extinction. So, our next generation can still see them in the wild.
Teman-teman, untuk selanjutnya kita mau ke safari journey. Terus ikutin keseruan kita ya.
Okay, good morning everyone. How are you today? Good. Ya, selamat pagi apa kabar semuanya? Baik. Okay, welcome to the Nasi Taman Safari Bali. My name is Galang. So today I will be your guide on the safari journey. So now we are going to see the animals from 3 different areas: Indonesia, India, and South Africa. Dan sekarang kita akan melihat satwa dari 3 kawasan berbeda, yaitu Indonesia, India, dan juga Afrika. Okay, now we are entering the first area. Welcome to Indonesia. Yeah, the first animal, please have a look on the right side. We call this animal babi rusa. In Bahasa, babi means pig and rusa means deer. So babi rusa is a pig deer. And they call it pig deer because they physically look like pig, but the man has upper tusk, they look like deer antlers. Nah, mereka disebut babi rusa karena fisiknya seperti babi, namun yang jantan memiliki taring di atas hidungnya yang berbentuk seperti ranah rusa. And the next animal on the other side, there are saltwater crocodiles. This is the biggest reptile in the world. It can weigh up to 1 ton and can grow up to 6 meters in length. Over there. And this leopard tail moth, because hungry, but it's really hot because they don't have sweat glands on their body. Nah, buaya akan membuka mulutnya ketika mereka merasa kepanasan karena mereka ini tidak memiliki minyak ringan atau pori-pori di tubuhnya. Okay, the next animal, let's see the biggest mammal on there. Yeah, get ready, we'll be on the right side.
Elephant!
And over there we have Sumatran elephants. They are the second smallest elephant after pygmy elephant for Borneo Island. And the biggest elephant is African elephants that can be twice bigger than Sumatran elephants. For the Sumatran elephants, they can weigh up to 4 tons, while the African elephants, they can weigh up to 7 until 8 tons or 8,000 kilograms. Nah, gajah Sumatera ini termasuk gajah Asia ya, yang dimana yang jantan yang memiliki gading yang panjang, yang betina memiliki gading yang kecil dan juga pendek. Nah, tadi itu yang betina. And the big animals, they call banteng or bulls. The banteng is a wild species of cattle from Java Island, but they have been domesticated for farming and called balikata or balikata. And beside the banteng, there are Java deers. They can be found in Java, Bali, Nusa Timur, island of Indonesia. In Bali, they call menjangan. Ya, menjangan. Dan Nusa Jawa ini kalau di Bali mereka sebut menjangan. Dan yang jantan yang memiliki tanduk yang bercabang. Again, now we are going to Borneo Island to see my friends. Jadi awak di orangutan. Yeah, actually orangutan are monkey, but they are apes. Yeah, because monkey has tail, while ape doesn't. And they are the biggest ape in Asia. And we are so similar because we share about 96% of our DNA makeup with them. They have fingerprint like us. The female also has menstruation cycle. Nah, orangutan ini memiliki sidik jari yang sama seperti kita, dan yang betina juga mengalami siklus menstruasi. Okay, get ready. So now we are getting in the water. Elsa up there, can you see? Ada satunya di atas pohon. There is gibbon or owa Jawa. Yeah, on the top. So gibbon is the smallest ape in Asia. And they are monogamous animals, so they will have one partner for their whole life. Nah, Hawa ini merupakan satwa yang monogami ya, dan artinya hanya memiliki satu pasangan seumur hidupnya. Nah, ketika bersama mati, mereka tidak akan mencari pasangan lagi. And the next one, have a look to the left side. And now we can see honey bear or sun bear. You can see the honey bear behind the trees. Yeah, they are the smallest bear in the world. This again we have till 50 until 60 kilograms. And this animal also have long tongue up to 25 centimeters long to get some food like honey in the trees. Yeah, because honey is their favorite food, so that's why they call honey bear. Okay, so now we will cross the bumpy bridge. So when we cross the bumpy bridge, let's say together with me. Okay, get ready in 3, 2, 1, say. Okay, thank you. Terima kasih. Okay, welcome to the Republic of Sumatra Island. And now let's see the tigers. Yeah, in this area we have 3 tigers. Yeah, 1 male and 2 females. Yeah, the better one is the male Sahel. He's about 12 years old. And the females are Anggun and Kalista. So tiger is the biggest cat in the world. It can weigh up to 300 kilograms. And those are black stripes, which allow them to camouflage in the water. And they are carnivorous animals. They can eat more than 6 kilograms of meat per day. Yeah, because meat slow to digest, that's why it can make them sleepy and tired. And they can sleep up to 16 hours per day. Nah, Indonesia memiliki 3 jenis harimau, yaitu harimau Bali, Jawa, dan harimau Sumatera. Ya, namun sayangnya harimau Bali dan Jawa sekarang sudah punah. Alright, another bumpy bridge. Get ready in 3, 2, 1, say. Okay, thank you. Okay, we are just leaving Indonesia and now welcome to India.
We're going to India.
In Israel, we can see a lot of spotted deers. They are also known as a ferry. These animals can be seen easily because of their white spot on their body. And also can be found in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, dan Nepal. Nah, jadi sama seperti Jawa yang jantan yang memiliki tanduk yang bercabang dan tanduk mereka ini akan lepas dan akan tumbuh kembali setiap tahunnya. Dan sama halnya seperti kuku dan rambut manusia. And now let's move on to the other side. Those are the Himalayan black bear, the biggest bear in Asia. And this is called moon bear because they have white mark on their chest. They look like a crescent moon. Yeah, moon bear. And it's now the pregnancy period can be up to 8 months, and they give birth to 1 until 4 babies. Nah, di sana kita ada beruang tabi Himalaya, merupakan beruang terbesar di Asia. Nah, masa kehamilan beruang ini bisa mencapai sekitar 8 bulan dan dapat melahirkan sekitar 1 sampai 4 ekor bayi beruang. Okay, thank you, and short today from India and welcome to Africa. And the next one, let's see the hippo. Yeah, we'll be on this side. Anyone want to swim here? Yes, people will spend most of the day in the water to keep cool and keep their skin from drying out and breaking because they have very sensitive skin. And as they can hold their breath until 5 minutes in the water, and even they can sleep inside the water. And they can weigh 3 tons or 3,000 kilograms. 3 tons. Nah, mereka ini merupakan satwa yang sangat agresif ya. Bahkan mereka dijuluki sebagai pembunuh nomor 1 di Afrika. Nah, mereka lebih banyak membunuh manusia dibandingkan singa dan buaya. On the grass, can you see them? They're sleeping. And over there we have 5 hyenas. Yeah, the hyena loreng. In Africa, they live in a small group and compact and will always have one female at the leader. Yeah, because a female will be more aggressive. They're just like a human. Yeah, just like a human. And this animal also have very strong digestion. So they can digest every part of their prey, including bones, nails, and so on. Nah, mereka itu tidak seperti anjing ataupun serigala ya. Tetapi mereka itu bukan dapat dari keduanya. Nah, mereka memiliki pasangan tersendiri seperti hyena ini.
It's okay, leave it up. We need to but that's the case.
Yeah, free massage for you. Okay, welcome to African Safari. And over here, there are otters. Oh, look so cute. This is the biggest bird in the world. Yeah, this bird cannot fly, but they can also pass up to 70 kilometers per hour. And those have small brain, even smaller than their eyes.
Smaller than what?
Their eyes.
Really? Their
Yeah,
brain
really.
is smaller.
Nah, burung unta ini memiliki otak yang sangat kecil ya, bahkan lebih kecil dibandingkan pola mata.
Staring at me.
Dan yang berenang bulunya berwarna abu-abu, dan sedangkan yang jantan bulunya berwarna hitam. Dan tinggi burung unta ini bisa mencapai sekitar 2 meter, dengan bobot mencapai 150 kg.
Talking to you.
Ya, they can weigh up to 150 kilograms. Also, we can see some antelope. The first antelope they call eland. This is the biggest and the slowest antelope in Africa. Yeah, we can see their big body, but they can jump high up to 2.5 meters to a full meter. Nah, ini merupakan jenis antelope yang namanya eland.
That's what.
Oh, look at the baby.
Here we have the Indian one.
That is like a very dehydrated.
That's an ox. That's an ox. And the next antelope with golden brown color, they call lechu. They are one of the fastest antelope in Africa that can run up to 80 kilometers per hour. So when they run, they look like a fly because they can run and jump at the same time. And they are the favorite food of cheetah. Ya, ini namanya lechu, salah satu antelope tercepat di Afrika. Yang dengan kecepatan sekitar 80 km per jam. So right now we will see the number one predator in Africa.
Try to see the line.
Lions?
Yeah, you guys ready?
Emma and Jess and Walter, they took out their driver for dinner. They said a $40 steak and he started crying. Because he's so grateful. But it's getting teary.
Yeah, additional, we have a couple of lions will be on this side.
Here, come over here, sit. Handshake, you need to sit.
Yeah, the male one inside here, his name is Cassie. He's about 12 years old. And the female one, her name is Kathy. He's about 10 years old. And this animal also can live up to 15 years in the wild, but even longer in captivity. Additional, this animal also can sleep up to 20 hours per day. Ya, 4 hours per day. Dan jadi ada singa yang jantan yang memiliki rambut panjang di bagian kepala dan lehernya yang disebut dengan surai, dan setelah yang betina dan ada surainya. Dan singa ini dapat tidur hingga 20 jam dalam sehari.
Who else is here? I think there's lots of special ones here. You want to go over there? We should fix this one.
And the next one, let's see the tallest mammal on Earth. Okay, let's see the zebra first. Yeah, on this side. Yeah, over there we have the female giraffe, and they are the mama and the baby. Yeah, the big one in front, the mama, named Sophie, is about 16 years old. Yeah, Sophie. And the baby one behind the tree, named Corona. Yeah, Corona, because she was born during COVID-19 2020, and that's why we named her Corona. And Corona is about 6 years old. Also, we can see the zebra.
Yeah, zebra.
And over there is plenty zebra, the biggest zebra in Africa. And zebra belongs to their family called iguan and are cousin to the horse and donkey. And this animal have black color with white stripes. Nah, ini namanya zebra grevi, merupakan zebra terbesar di Afrika.
Oh, look at the camel.
Also, we have the horse camel or background camel. Yeah, this camel can be found in the desert region of Mongolia and also China. And this is from Mongolia. And now let's move on to the other side. Those are the African red cow or walrus. Bela sapi merah Afrika. Nah, mereka ini merupakan satwa sakral bagi suku Maasai di Afrika Barat, dan bahkan mereka digunakan sebagai mas kawin.
Excuse me, why have they got hair hanging?
The boy have
The boy has hair. Oh, wow.
Hey, boy.
Oh, the mountain goats.
Okay, now let's see the monkey.
Vicky.
Yeah, that's not Vicky from Monkey Movie. Yeah, that's not the mandrill, the biggest monkey in Africa. Yeah, or babu.
Sienna yelled out.
And the difference between the female can see from the size, yeah, the male have bigger body than the female. And also up there on the Rocky Mountain, there are Barbary sheep or mountain sheep and a Doma Guri.
Mountain goat.
They stay on the rock to stay away from predators, and the main predators is the leopard. And those can jump high up to 2 meters to climb the mountain. Nah, mereka ini dapat melompat setinggi 2 meter untuk mendaki pegunungan, dan mereka lebih suka di pegunungan untuk melindungi diri dari serangan predator. Also, we have the pelicans. They can be found in all continents except Antarctica, and they have massive pouches under their beak that can hold up to 3 tons of water. Nah, burung pelikan ini memiliki kantung yang elastis di bawah paruhnya dan dapat menampung air sekitar 3 liter.
Camera is blocking her view like 80% of the time.
And now we are in African panorama.
What's Safari Bali.
And not only animal, we also can see our accommodation, Marari for South Foreigners. And the one and out in Bali, they have African panorama. Yeah, in Israel, we can see more zebras. And this is German zebra, one of the smallest zebra in Africa. Also, they have 3 colors on their body: black, white, and brown color. And the brown is not because they're dirty, but it's naturally. Nah, coklat itu bukan karena kotor ya, mereka warna asli mereka. Dan setiap zebra memiliki pola belang yang unik, tidak ada yang sama halnya seperti sidik dari manusia. And over there, we have African one rhino from South Africa. There's our the male one, named Nelson. It's about 30 years old. Yeah, we can see their big body, but they can run so fast, up to 50 kilometers per hour. So when they run, they cannot run suddenly because they have poor eyesight, but these animals have good hearing and sense of smell. Namada adalah mamalia terbesar kedua setelah gajah dengan bobot mencapai 3,5 ton. Also, we have a couple of giraffe. And the male one, his name is Singo. He's about 11 years old. And the female one, her name is Asanti. Dia namanya Asanti, usianya sudah 8 tahun. And did you know, the pregnancy period can be up to 15 months, and giraffe give birth to standing up. And the baby giraffe can stand and walk just 30 minutes to an hour after being born. And tadi yang jatuh namanya Singo, dan Singo itu merupakan kakak dari keronayan tadi. Thank you. And to the website, we can see our restaurant, Soul Food and Restaurant. So here, you can have breakfast, lunch, and dinner with view of the lions. There will be on the right side, all the sleeping. And the female is called lioness. In the wild, the female lion will be more aggressive than the male because they're more active for hunting.
Wow.
So when the female get the food, the male lion will eat first. Because the main job of male lion are to protect their pride and make sure the blood is continuing. Nah, singa betina disebut dengan lioness dan mereka itu merupakan pemburu yang lebih aktif di dalam pride. Nah, ketika singa betina makan mangsa, singa jantan akan makan terlebih dahulu. Alright, and everyone, the last bumpy bits, so let's say okay, thank you. And everyone, there's all of Africa, so now we are going back to Indonesia, and once again, we will see more elephant closer. And did you know, the pregnancy period can be up to 22 months, that is almost 2 years for one baby. Yeah, really. And when the baby born, it can weigh up to 120 kilograms. Yeah, so when they feel hot, they will put some mud on their body to cool themselves when they get hot. It's just like their sunscreen or sunblock. Nah, masa kehamilan gajah ini bisa mencapai sekitar 22 bulan, hampir 2 tahun untuk satu bayi saja. Dan ketika bayi mereka lahir, beratnya bisa mencapai sekitar 120 kg. And everyone, elephant is the last animal on this safari journey. I hope you have enjoyed. As now, we are going back to the starting point.
30th to the 5th or something.
Setelah ini yang terakhir di Bali Safari mau ke Bali Agung Show. Bali Agung Show adalah pertunjukan teater kolosal megah di Bali Safari dan Marine Park yang memadukan budaya, mitologi, tari tradisional, musik, dan satwa. Buat teman-teman yang mau nonton pertunjukan Bali Agung Show secara lengkap, ada di video selanjutnya ya teman-teman. Dan jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe untuk ikutin keseruan kita berikutnya. Bye-bye teman-teman.